Hello.
What's up?
Did you see what I did?
Dude, I don't have time for that type of poppycock. I'm running out of dirt here. I'm freaking out, man.
Well, you're in a wheelbarrow full of luck. The new issue of Dirt Weekly came.
Chumbawamba. That's a lot of sand, man.
That's right. We're going to the beach. Yay! Hey guys, I'm broke. I borrow $20. Made it, Dandy. Sure is beautiful.
Sure is, David.
I think I might go in the water.
No, don't go in that water.
Why not?
There's sharks in there.
I'm gonna go in anyway.
Okay.
Oh, there's hippos out there, not sharks. My bad.
I'm a hippo.